What is up, guys? Today I will show you the settings on the unlocked Ninebot E3 Pro here. So I replaced the controller. You can find the link in the description below how to do it and also where to get this controller. There's only one method right now to unlock 32 km/h. And after this I connected my scooter with the official Segway app. Of course it's working fine, as you see here. And then you have all the options available. So I will turn on the scooter right now and show you what you can do in official app, what settings you can change and how to do it. Okay, so I turn on the scooter. As you see here, it's available the percentage, the mode, eco mode, sport mode and drive mode. Also you can see the battery details like total capacity, voltage, temperature and other things. Also more information you can find when the battery was produced, how many charging cycles, so 0 is brand new scooter, self-discharging trends even available for this battery, so it's some description will be how the self-discharge is working. Actually nothing special here. Although you see the range on eco mode is 45 km/h, the dashboard actually pretty useless, just remaining voltage and all this information. Guard mode, so if you enable, it's just a protection. Then when you leave your scooter somewhere near the store, so it will not be useful and you cannot use it without unblocking this like that. Although you see here, okay, task for beginner, don't remind me. Then you have the settings, so that's the key part here, as you see quite many of them. Firstly, the tailing, you have always on flash while braking, ambient light also available. Depends how you set it up. You can also disable it or enable it, so I just disable it. Then you can set it up which one you would like, breathing light, flowing light or rainbow light effects. Start speed 3, 4, 5 km, starting from 0 unfortunately is not available. Although you have the customized settings of the modes, you have eco mode up to 15 km/h. Also you can set up the acceleration, energy saving or standard or maximum speed. For drive, same settings, maximum 25 km/h, max speed, standard or energy saving. And for sport or sport plus, also 3 kind of acceleration and the maximum speed up to 32 km/h. Yes, the scooter supports 32 km/h, and in the description below you can find a link where to buy the controller and the video how to replace it. Kinetic energy recovery, have disable weak or standard, so I set to weak, but you can also use standard, and it's actually also supports the braking while you're somewhere on a slope. Cruise mode, so only one option available, so automatically enter cruise mode after holding throttle for more than 3 seconds, enable or disable. Also the system, perical system or metric system, locking function, so you can lock, you can use a code lock to unlock, and there are also guide how to do it. I don't use this option. And traction control system, so keep people steady on a slippery road, this you can activate or disable it, actually not that much settings. Also your serial number, some black box data you should, okay, no need. And device information like a serial number, total mileage available, vehicle temperature, and the firmware. Actually you can update the firmware and the log of updates, what it will bring you, the firmware details and battery details already showed to you. So also unbend the vehicle, of course. That's the key settings available in the Ninebot app together with the unblocked controller.